Ka Voice of the People Party VPP kalapan pa ko jingso kya ka bajur halor ka jingiadei hapdeng ka Sorkar jalam bat ka sengking atyar Henyo Trap National Liberation Council HNLC balasha ken bean hadien ka jingsha byrngem kinongalam ka VPP unong aiktien ka VPP u Dr. Batskem merbo uloong ngamtip ya ki jingahap hapdeng ka Sorkar bat ka ni ka seng Namar haba ka HNLC kala berten panle AA persya e kinongelam ke VPP om syum ladon weru na kalyang ka Sorkar kiban penrem ya katika jing byrngem. U Dr. Batskem uloong ru ba ka HNLC kadon ni ka jingiadei bat kiriusan pertay da ka bakdaw halur ki jingmi kubor badang syan. Ula banjur ba ka kamram jong ka Sorkar jela kalong ban pene ya ka syong suk syong shngan ha ka jela. Kadai ka kamram jong ka Sorkar jela ban pentik na ya ka jing kam jong ka an bat ban penne ya ka syong suk syong shngan ha ka jela uloong halur ka jing pulam ka jing akrenya suk hapren ka Sorkar bat ka HNLC u Dr. Merbo ula kentat ban keren AA da ka baong ngamtip ngamla ban ong AA halur ka ni namar ba kila seso ha ka jing akren bat ki weipan lani la ban ong baki dengan shimbenta ha ka jing akren bat ka weipat ka seng balak hen bean Henry balay kimla banyakran bat ka HNLC ngamtem. Henry ka ay kabang idon kam banle kum ka jela kalong ka jingsung ka jing turekam jong ka an ban penne ya ka suk ka san namar klem ka an bat klem ka syong suk syong shngan nginom yo ya ka roy ka par nginom la ban kiw shaprang ula banjor.
I don't know, I cannot comment on this matter because they were successful in talking with the other, or rather, they were engaging in talks with the other band organization. But why they cannot, talk with the HNLC, I don't know. So, I can't comment on that. But what we need in our state is peace, law and order, and tranquility. Because without law and order, without peace, we cannot really achieve development. We cannot progress. I don't know if you read what is there in the in the news in the recent times. It looks like the organization has had the relation with the politicians, and the politicians, they have the relations with the organization. So and you see recently that VPP leaders were threatened by the organization, so we really don't know. And it is very complicated, but this is what I believe: it is a duty of the state government to ensure that law and order, peace is maintained in the state. It is the duty of the state government. Because I don't know the equations between the government and the organization also. I don't know what is going on. And you see, when the organization, which HNLC, threatened to take action against the VPP leaders, none from the government even condemned the statement. So I don't know what is the equation.